In today's video, let me walk you through on how to use DeepSeek on your mobile. Welcome back to a new tutorial video everyone. If you're trying to use DeepSeek on your mobile, either you need to download the application of DeepSeek from the Play Store or the App Store, or you can also use it on a web browser. If you want to use it on the app, make sure you download it first of all. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for DeepSeek, and make sure you install this application. Once the app has been installed, open up the app and log into your account. If you don't yet have an account of DeepSeek, you can also sign up first of all. Once you now have been signed up, or once you now logged in, you can now start using DeepSeek through the mobile application. If you don't want to download the application, you can also open up a web browser, search for chat.deepseek.com, and then make sure you log in here as well. Using one of those methods, you'll be able to use DeepSeek on your mobile phone. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.